Hi everybody, Mike here, also known as Wolffield Diver. Thanks for watching. Today I am in the middle of Alabama. Not too far from a town called Coleman. I'm out here for business and also have some fun and hopefully fly the drone. Anyways, we're pressing on to our national forest. There's one about 20 minutes away from here that I found a spot on Google Earth that looks like a good place to fly a drone, and I've got a beautiful day, no clouds. It's supposed to cloud up tonight. It was cloudy last night, so I gotta do it while I can. Again, everybody, we are at a place called Brushy Creek, but it looks like it's been turned into a reservoir. I'm gonna go down here and check it out and maybe fly the drone a little bit, see what it looks like. Let's check it out. So there's this ant on my drone that I saw climbing on it. I'm gonna take him for a flight. There we go. I'm gonna fly this thing under the bridge. I'm gonna give that a try.